Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can take a full page screenshot on your iPhone or iPad. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open up your Safari browser and then navigate to the page you would like to capture. Now, take a screenshot as you normally would and then tap on the thumbnail. You need to go ahead and simply tap on full page. And just like that, you'll be able to view the entire web page instead of just a visible screen. From here, you can scroll through the preview on the right-hand side corner to see the whole page. You can also tap the crop tool and then simply drag the handles and trim the screenshot to just the section you want. When you're done, tap on this little icon and just like so, simply tap on this three dot, tap on the right icon, and then simply select Save to Photos or Save PDF to Files. You can even tap on here to share it with your friends through message, email, or other apps. And that's it. That's simply how you can take a full page screenshot on your iPhone or your iPad. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.